Hello Slaters! Slaters, in our last video, we completed discussion and explanation of the fourth lesson, Water for All. This lesson gave us an insight into the importance of water, the different sources of water, and in different ways which we can save water. Now, before we start with the textbook exercise, let's check the Did You Know sections of the lesson. Slaters, turn to page number 84. Did you know? Some plants such as the cactus and the date palm grow in areas where there is very little rainfall. The cactus plant has thick spongy stems to store water. So Slaters, what are the places where there is very little rainfall called? Correct, they are called deserts. Slaters, we all know that plants need water in order to grow healthy. They use this water to transport nutrients throughout the plant. Now in places like deserts, it is difficult to find water bodies. This is because of little rainfall. The deserts are covered with sand and are very hot due to the scorching heat from the sun. In these conditions too, some plants grow. But how do they do that? They store water in their thick, fleshy stem. Slaters, you all must have seen a cactus plant, isn't it? It has thick, fleshy stem which stores nutrients and water. Their leaves are modified or changed into spines. These spines prevent them from being eaten by animals and also result in less loss of water. Wow! Cacti know very well how to save water, isn't it, Slaters? Now let's read the Did You Know section on page number 85. Did you know? The camel can live without water for up to a month. It drinks a lot of water at a time and stores it in its body. So Slaters, we all know that camels are called the ship of the desert. They are called so because they can survive in hot desert sands for a very long time without water. Many people think that the hump on the back of camels store water. But this is not true. The hump on their back stores fat which the camel uses when the food is scarce. The camel drinks around 53 gallons or 200 liters of water very quickly when it gets to drink. This water is stored in the animal's bloodstream. Wow! Now an animal who can store water very well. So Slaters, I hope you all will also learn from these plants and animals and save water yourself too. Now let's work on the textbook exercise given at the end of the lesson. Slaters, please turn to page number 182. Now let's check the first bit. In this bit, we need to choose the correct answer from the given options and write it in the blank. The first one is 3/4 of our Earth's surface is covered by dash. The options are land, trees or water. Now Slaters, we read from the lesson that our Earth is called a blue planet. This is because 70% of the land is covered by water, which is equivalent to 3/4 part of it. So write the answer water in the given blank. The second one is water that is fit for drinking is known as dash water. The options are portable, potable and stored. So Slaters, the first option portable means to be able to carry something easily. This word is not appropriate for this statement. The third option stored too is not appropriate. We know that water which is fit for drinking is called potable. So write the answer potable in the given blank. This third statement is The water supply department collects water from rivers and lakes and purifies it in dash. The options are tap treatment plants, underground pipes, or water treatment plants. Slaters, we read from the lesson that water is treated for removing impurities and for making it fit for drinking. Before it is supplied, it is treated in water treatment plants. So write this answer in the given blank. Now let's check the last sentence. Water is dash, so we must not waste it. The options are precious, costly, or natural. So Slaters, water is indeed important for our survival. Without water, our life will become miserable. It is one of the most precious resources on earth. So write the answer precious in the given blank. Now let's move on to the second bit. Here you have to fill in the blanks with the appropriate answer. The first blank is water is used to produce dash. So Slaters, besides water being used for household purposes, agriculture, industries, it is also used for producing electricity, isn't it? This type of electricity is called hydroelectricity. So write down the answer electricity in the given blank. The second one is we must drink dash glasses of water every day. Slaters, since our body is made up of 70% of water, it is necessary to drink adequate amount of water for smooth functioning of all our body organs. We should not drink too much or too less of water. So Slaters, how many glasses of water should we drink every day? Correct, 8 glasses of water. So write the answer 8 in the given blank. The third one is water helps dash to absorb food from the soil. Now Slaters, what grows in the soil? Correct, plants. And how do plants get their minerals from the soil? Very good. The roots absorb water from the soil which contains minerals. So, water helps plants to get the food from the soil. Slaters, write the answer plants in the given blank. Good going, Slaters. Now let's move on to bit C. Here we need to answer the given questions. The first question is, why do we need water? Slaters, this is a very easy question to answer, isn't it? We all know and have also read in the lesson that water is required for our survival. Plants, animals, human beings all depend on water. Besides, for our survival, we also need it for various household chores, for growing crops, in industries and factories, and also we use it for generating electricity. You can refer to page number 178 for more details on writing this answer. The second question is, why do plants need water? Slaters, plants make their own food through the process of photosynthesis. Now, in order to make food, they need water along with carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. Plants absorb this water from the soil through roots. Now Slaters, without water, plants won't survive. Water helps the plants to grow healthy. You can refer to page number 178 for more help for writing this answer. Now let's read the third question. How do people in villages get water? Slaters, we know that since many years back, even now too, many villages do not have taps or water supply through pipes as we have in cities and towns. Hence, they need to rely on the community well, tube wells, hand pumps for getting the daily supply of water. In few villages, people need to walk miles to get a bucket of clean water. People in villages also have to stand in long queues or lines to get their turn of filling in their vessels. Slaters, you can refer to page number 181, paragraph under the topic water shortage for writing this answer. Now Slaters, let's check the last bit of this exercise, think and answer. Here we have 3 statements and we need to choose the correct answer from the given options. The first statement is, when we make chapatis, we need water to dash. The options are clean the dough, knead the dough and heat the dough. So Slaters, if you have observed your mothers in the kitchen making chapatis, what does she do as her first step? First, she takes the required amount of atta or wheat flour and water. The reason for using water is atta alone cannot be rolled into a chapati as it is in powdered form. Hence, water is added to bind the powder and for kneading it into a dough, isn't it? So, water is added to knead the dough. Write knead the dough in the given blank. The second statement is, plants need water to dash. The options are live and grow, be happy or be cool in summer. Now Slaters, answer for this is quite obvious. Plants don't need water to be happy or to be cool in summer. They need water to live and grow healthy, isn't it? So choose the first option and write it in the given blank. The last sentence is, when we have to take tablet, we need water to dash. The options are swallow the tablet, make a paste or clean the tablet. Now Slaters, we know that tablets are very bitter in taste. So we cannot chew it or bite it into pieces in our mouth, isn't it? Therefore, we need to swallow it. Now swallowing something can only be done when we drink water after it. So, write the answer swallow the tablet in the given blank. So Slaters, with this we end our lesson number 4. I hope you all enjoyed learning so many things about water. I would like you all to go through the textbook exercise one more time. I will meet you in the next session with a new lesson. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.